Welcome, Schools United, Palm Beach County, Broward, and Miami-Dade Christian Schools. My name is Ken Fry. I'm Director of Technology at Boca Raton Christian School. This is our Internet Domain Workshop. The domain name system is the real estate of the Internet. The domain names are the real estate of the Internet. Domain name systems, DNS, is the systems that link the real estate, the domain name, with the services provided by various internet companies and things we'd like, such as websites, emails, file service, stuff like that. So this should be a 2-hour workshop. What we're going to do is end up doing a demonstration. You can pause the video along with the handout and work on this procedure alone to learn about the DNS system by making your own domain, your own website, and your own email address. So we're going to buy a piece of internet real estate, a domain name. We're going to make a website, and that's going to cost about $20 a year. We're going to make a free email and a free website, a free phone number, all to put on the website. So I'm going to go pretty fast. It might end up being impossible because it takes about 15 minutes to link the real estate and the DNS naming systems. Okay, we're going to start by we're going to follow these steps. We're going to make a Gmail account to be the basis of our work. Then we're going to go to GoDaddy and buy an internet domain. Then we are going to go to Zoho to make a free email account. We're going to set the DNS settings to link the email with the domain real estate. Then we're going to make a free website at site123.com, and maybe if we've got time, get a free phone number and put it all onto the website. And this is going to be done in under 30 minutes. Here we go. First step, make a new Gmail account. So I'm going to say create an account for myself. I happen to have looked already to see what name was available. It can take you a long time to find exactly the email address you want for the purpose. But I found lovingexponentially at gmail.com to be available. So we're going to make that. We're going to get that email. If I can put the same password in twice. I'm going to use that, and then that, and then that. We do need a phone number. This phone number has been used too many times. I think I'm getting too many free email addresses, so I'll use a different phone number. How about this one? 710-626. So we've just created, and we're just making a new Gmail account. If you are following along yourself, that's great. I'm going to be born January the 1st, 1970. I'm male. Not going to link the phone number. Agree to the conditions. Done. We have a Gmail account on which we can make a Zoho account and get a buy a GoDaddy domain. There we go. Next step is to buy a domain. Again, I had a look at the available domains. So I like using GoDaddy, so we'll go to GoDaddy, type in the domain we want. It says it's available for $2. Very good. Now, GoDaddy does try to sell you more than you need to buy. So They want 5 years. We only want 1 year. And that should do it. Okay. See if we just bought it. Continue to cart. So it will take you an extra minute to make a new GoDaddy account and enter your credit card. That would get us well over the 30 minutes. Just say no to everything else it wants to buy. Don't start anything free because they charge you later. So you would need another 5 minutes to make a GoDaddy account and enter your credit card, but I already did that. So we are now the proud owner of expectexcellence.today. That's our new website. So I'm going to go to my handout here and just add a little, let's see, we're going to add the information that we just are using. So that's the email account that I'm using. And this is the web domain that I just purchased. There we go. So I'm going to make an email account now called Ken at expectexcellence.today. So we're at Gmail. Oh, we're already in Gmail. That's interesting. That's interesting. What is it trying to do? I'm logged into the logged into the wrong website. I want to be loving exponentially at gmail.com. Browsers sometimes get confused when you try to be too many different people at once. All right, so that's that one. Okay, now next step, look at step number 4. We're going to sign up for a free Zoho account. So we go to zoho.com and we're going to sign in. Let's go to actually, how do we sign in? Access your apps. Okay, it thinks I'm already signed into an account, so I'm going to sign out of that account and make a new account. Zoho.com is where we're going to host our free email. Sign in. Let's do sign up, free sign up. Here we go. We're going to sign in using Google. It's much easier. We're going to use our new Gmail account, lovingexponentially at gmail.com. There we go. We'll pick a state to live in. Broward County, Palm Beach County, and Miami-Dade counties are all in Florida. So let's choose to live in Florida. Okay, we're 21 minutes down. We're making our account. Here we go. So we need to set up, we need to add a domain to this account. So to add a domain, I am going to go to I'm going to go to mail admin at Zoho. So go to mailadmin.zoho. Okay, so we're still in lovingexponentially at gmail.com. We're going to try the free plan. I did say we could make email for free. We're going to add an existing domain. We just bought the domain from, we bought it from GoDaddy right now. So it's called, we bought expectingexcellence.today. So there it is. Industry type, we are in education. What's the name of the organization? I would call our organization Expect Excellence Today. That's a nice name. Here we go. So we're in Zoho, which is a provider of services. Proceed to domain verification. Now, this is the step that takes about an hour. So let's see how quickly. Let's see how quickly we can do this. We need to. Okay, what we're doing is linking our domain real estate to this internet service. The way we link it is first we need to prove that we own it before we can start building our houses on it. We're going to prove we own it by making a text record with that in it. So we're going to go back to GoDaddy, and we're going to okay, what's it want to do? It's wanting to, GoDaddy wants us to buy things from GoDaddy. But I want to buy it for free from Zoho. So we're going to go to the Manage DNS. That's what we're looking for. We're trying to use our domain name system to prove that we own this domain. So we're going to add a text record with the wildcard at and that string that we just copied for the shortest time to live possible. Now, GoDaddy has added that domain name system record in its registration. So we're proving we own it, but Zoho is going to take about 15 minutes to propagate through to the internet. We could just try verifying now, see if it worked. Not yet. So now it says 30 minutes to a day. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for that to propagate through the internet, what other ways do we have? Add a CNAME record. We could try that. Let's add that CNAME record. I doubt that a CNAME record would be any quicker to populate through the internet, but let's just try it. A CNAME is an alias. So they're saying if we make that alias point to Zoho, again the shortest time to live, that CNAME, that alias, has been added. Let's see if Zoho can see that already. Verify CNAME. Nope, not yet. Let's see if it's fixed the text record. It ends in 4819. Is that the same one? Yep. Okay, so while we're waiting for that to propagate through the internet, and we have 17 minutes left, let's just start making a free website. So we're going to go to step number 9, site123.com. Site123.com. Hi there. All right, we're going to make a new site. We're going to make it. All right, that is the name of our new website. We've just. Oh, that's someone else's website. I better log out of that. That's a previous one that I made. Let's log in using Google to Site123. It's an easiest way to get authenticated. We're going to use the email account we just made for the purpose, even though Google says I'm making too many free email accounts. I've only got about 30 or so. Okay, continue to Site123. Loving exponentially, signing in with Google. There we go. What type of website should we make? Let's make a community website. What's the name? Let's name it. Well, let's call it Loving Exponentially Today. Actually, it's Expect Excellence Today. What a great name. I credit Beth Mewers with that name. We might even be able to use this website for our new tagline. So that's it. We've got a new website. Okay, so we're going to publish it. That's how easy it is to make a website. Are you sure? Okay, this is actually the website address. That is in fact the website address. So we're going to put it in here. Site 123, what's your website address? It's that. So we're going to forward this domain, which is expectexcellence.today. We're going to forward that to that site we just made at site 123. Where is forwarding? Here it is, forwarding. Add forwarding. 14 minutes, expect excellence today, destination URL. That is actually the website, but we are going to permanently move it with masking, forward it with masking, which means it will, when it forwards, it will actually change the URL to look like it actually, it'll actually look like this one we just bought, expect excellence today. So we're going to say title, expect excellence today, description, website for Schools United, website for Schools United, workshop, main workshop, main workshop, keywords. Keywords are the words that Google will find. And so we're now forwarding our new domain to our free web address. Let's see what happens if we go to expectingexcellence.today. Let's see what happens. Expectingexcellence.today. Let's expect excellence. DNS error. So things don't happen that quickly on the internet, but it will happen. Forward with masking. Expect excellence.today goes to that website. Okay, let's go back to our Zoho and see if we can verify the text record yet. Good. It takes about that long to verify. We're down to 12 minutes. You've verified your domain. We are the super administrator. I'm going to be Ken at expectexcellence.today. You can be anything you like. You can put anything in front of the @ symbol. In fact, we're going to make it into a catch-all. I'm just going to copy that. That's our new personalized email using our new domain, our new internet real estate, the domain. So where do we put this in our steps? Set up a new service. Here's the new email account. So we just keep making a record of all the things. Oh, that was going to be Ken at our email address. So my new email address is copy. That's it. Ken at expectexcellence.today. All right, let's go to another step. I'm not convinced that we have set up we haven't set everything up yet. We need to make an MX record on our Google, on our GoDaddy account. What that means is we need to tell the internet where our email server is. So if somebody tries to send an email to that address, they ask GoDaddy, because we bought the internet domain from GoDaddy. They're going to ask GoDaddy where's the mail server. So we're going to look here, mail settings, email alias. Okay, where do we put it? mail admin. I think I have to go to my account. I'm looking for the domains. My account settings. Okay. Let's see. Pum, 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 pum. Expecting excellence. Let's see if we can actually get redirected to that website. There it is. There's our website. So that took a few minutes for the internet to realize that address is being forwarded to our free website. But see how it doesn't say site 123? The masking changed the name to expectedexcellence.today. All right, but we haven't told GoDaddy where our email server is yet. So we cannot send any emails. Sometimes things are easy to find, and other times they are hidden away. Let's try Zoho.com and see where it takes us. Somewhere in Zoho, we have to find out what our email address is. Actually, I happen to know it's mx1.zoho.com. So we could just put that into the DNS because we're running out of time. But I want to show you where you would find that information. Where you would find it would be in the admin console. There it is, admin console. There it is, domains. See how it says we haven't pointed our MX, that's the mail exchange record. We haven't pointed that yet. We need to put each of these three MX records into our GoDaddy account. So go back to GoDaddy, go to our MX, our DNS records. We add an MX record with the wildcard. Priority was 10. That means it's the highest priority. It's the shortest amount of time to live for that information. Then we want this second one, which is mx2.zoho.com. We're going to add another MX record. It stands for mail exchange with a wildcard, priority 20, and that value, add that record. And the last one is priority 50. That's its value. So we're going to add an MX record with a wildcard, priority 50, and the value with the shortest amount of refresh time possible. Right, so now we should have 3 MX records and a forwarder. The forwarder is the different section, but there's our 3 MX records. So we have now told GoDaddy to tell the world where our internet server, where our email server is. It's at Zoho. So we go back to Zoho. How much time we got? 6 minutes. Oh, we're getting close. Let's verify. Wow, okay, it hasn't verified yet. Again, that sometimes takes a few minutes. Oh, good, it verified. So that's how quickly that went there. Now the SPF is the sender policy framework. This helps us tell the internet that we're not a spam company. We need to create a text record with a wildcard and that value. So back to the DNS system, the domain name system. It's what runs the internet. Wildcard with a value of that, a short refresh time. Good. Now, again, this could take 15 minutes. We only have 5 minutes left, so it'll probably not verify that quickly. And then the DKIM and the DMARC are extra anti-spam systems, but the email will in fact work without those two things. So we can test that by saying, there's our email. We're at mail.zoho.com. Let's make a new email, and we'll send it to. Let's send it to my school address, frike@bocacorrection.org. And subject test, hi from new domain. Send. I'm going to open my email. And I'm going to quickly put it down low so that I don't show the world all my confidential emails. 4 minutes and we're opening up an Outlook program. All right, let's see if it's arriving. Might take a minute to arrive. So while we're waiting, we've got 4 minutes left. The last step is to get a free phone number to publish on that website. So we're going to go to textnow.com. We're going to ask for another free number. Log in. Again, we're going to log in using Google so that we've tied everything to this lovingexponentially at gmail.com. So we've logged in. Let's get a phone number in. You can pick an area code anywhere in America. I'm going to pick, which number do you like the look of? Oh, let's do 5558, that one, 5558. All right, so we now have that phone number. All you do is install TextNow app on your phone, and whenever anyone rings that number, it will ring. So that's the phone number. I'm going to pop that in here so I don't forget what phone number I got. So all you need to do, you can make phone calls from this app. For example, if I called okay, this is wasting time now, isn't it? 71935 Oh my goodness, with 3 minutes left. It's calling my... See the... Hello. Okay, hi. So that's how easy it is to get a free phone number with 2.5 minutes left. So we're going to put that phone number on our website. Where's our Site 123 website? Here it is. Let's go to the contact page, contact us, and we're going to put, where's the contact page? Somewhere, about us, somewhere you can put that phone number on this website. Oh goodness. You basically just edit this page and put it wherever you want. So I'm just going to pop it in, I'll pop it somewhere. Yeah, okay, 2 minutes left. Let's put it, oh, that's not the Site 123. We were visiting the website. You can't edit it when you visit it. We have to be at site123.com to edit it. So now we're going to say, please call edit. You'll figure out how to work this. So call us on that number. And how do we save it? Okay, so there must be a cute way to save it. Okay. Are you sure you want to close the window? Make sure to save your page. Yes, save it. Yes, right, we want to save it. Save it. Where's the save button? Oh, the save button's down there. There we go. There's the save button. All right, so now we're going to publish it. Yes, we're sure we want to publish it. 1 minute left. We go back to our website that we were visiting. Wherever it was, there it is. Expect excellence.today. Refresh it. And there's the change. Our phone number's on there. And we can publish that phone number freely because it is just a one purpose. We can put the app on any phone we want. I think that's everything. We sent an email. Oh, did I receive that email? Let's see. I'm on the wrong email account. Oh, because I'm at home. I'm doing this at home. That email will come through eventually. It'll come through here. Okay, it might take a little bit of time to propagate through the internet. So we have a domain, we have an email account, and we have a website and a phone number, all for the cost of $1.99 for a year. So